The Samsung 85-inch class QLED 4K TV is a powerhouse of visual and audio performance, designed to turn any living space into a cinematic experience. I have provided the link to this smart TV in the description below if you want to know how much it costs. With its stunning QLED display and expansive 85-inch screen, this TV offers breathtaking clarity and color that bring every frame to life. The 100% color volume with quantum dot ensures over 1 billion vibrant shades at all brightness levels, making even the most complex visuals feel rich and dynamic. Its quantum HDR and dual LED backlighting further enhance contrast and realism, creating imagery that feels true to life whether you're watching in a dark room or bright daylight. The Q60D isn't just about image, it delivers powerful performance under the hood. At the core is the quantum processor Lite with 4K upscaling, which intelligently optimizes content for sharpness and sound regardless of the original resolution. Fast-paced sports, action movies, and gaming sessions benefit from Samsung's motion Xcelerator technology that minimizes blur and lag between frames, ensuring seamless transitions and an ultra-smooth viewing experience. And with Object Tracking Sound Lite, the audio adapts to the action on screen, offering immersive, virtual 3D surround sound that draws you directly into the story, whether it's a high-speed car chase or a quiet, emotional scene. Design and convenience are not forgotten either. The sleek AirSlim profile allows the TV to sit flush against the wall, maintaining a minimalist and modern aesthetic that enhances your room instead of overwhelming it. Built-in Alexa and Samsung's intuitive Tizen OS give you seamless control, whether you're streaming, searching, or gaming through the integrated gaming hub, no console required. For those seeking a premium large-screen TV that doesn't compromise on style, performance, or intelligence, the Samsung Q60D is a smart and elegant choice built for today's digital lifestyle.